Locked in for 2025. No more excuses. Lock in for 2025. As we step into a brand new year, it's time to focus, set goals, and make every move count. Whether you're chasing success, personal growth, healing, or new opportunities, this is your moment to stay committed and level up. No more waiting for the right time. This is the time. This year isn't about trends. It's not about what others think. It's about what you know deep down. It's your season to rise. You've been through too much to settle for mediocrity now. Let's break down what it takes to dominate 2025 and make it your best year yet. Healing and strength after pain. If someone broke your heart, remember this. A broken heart can heal. It may not happen overnight, but the pieces come back stronger. Stop placing all your faith in others to validate your worth. Start recognizing the truth that you are whole, capable, and born with purpose. Your life has meaning, even if others can't see it. And if they don't understand you, that's okay. Not everyone is meant to. The question is, do you understand yourself? Do you believe in what you're capable of? Because the second you do, everything changes. Write your own story. You are the author. You hold the pen. So write the story that reflects who you truly are, not a copy of someone else's highlight reel, not a life built on fear or comparison. Declare it now. This is my life. I own it. I will live it to the fullest, not just this year, but every moment I'm given. Stay locked in. Push forward with strength, will, purpose, and self-love, because no one can take that from you. No failure, no loss, no judgment can erase your power unless you hand it over. Let people think what they want. Let them gossip, doubt, judge. That's not your concern. What matters is how you show up for yourself. What matters is your commitment, your vision, your effort. Forget new year, new me. Get real. That phrase, it's tired. It's empty without action. Stop repeating it and start living it. Get real about what needs to be done. Get real about your habits, your mindset, your choices. The world doesn't hand out results. It responds to effort, discipline, and belief. If you're afraid of failing, good. It means you're trying something that matters. But don't let fear lead the way. You will fail. You will stumble. You'll have days where you feel like quitting. But that's where growth happens, in the middle of the mess. What matters is that you don't let setbacks define you. Every season has a purpose. Whatever you're going through right now, it won't last forever. Another season is coming, and you're going to meet it with strength, with clarity, and with fire in your heart. The darkest moments often bring the deepest clarity. They force you to face the truth and rise. Don't give up. Don't shut down. You weren't created to quit. You were created to rise, evolve, and lead yourself out of whatever is holding you back. Mastering the mindset shift, you don't need to be perfect, you need to be persistent. Time is your most valuable resource. Every moment you spend doubting yourself is a moment stolen from the future you're capable of building. So ask yourself, where do I want to be 6 months from now? What choices do I need to make today to get there? Am I living in alignment with my goals or just reacting to life? Let go of the past. Forgive what needs to be forgiven. Learn what needs to be learned and move forward. Resilience is your superpower. You will be tested. You will face distractions, delays, and doubt. But you're not here to be comfortable. You're here to be committed. Life isn't about avoiding the storm. It's about learning to walk through it with your head held high. You've already survived so much. So what's stopping you now? Stay strong, stay present, stay resilient, and more than anything, keep going. Handle your business 2025 isn't going to hand you success. You have to earn it, you have to show up for it, and you have to fight for it, mentally, emotionally, spiritually. So wake up with purpose, work like your future depends on it, because it does. Cut out the noise, get rid of the excuses, stay focused, be intentional, be relentless. The choice is yours. No one else can live your life for you. No one else can walk your path. You've got one shot, one moment, one chance to lock in and make it count. This is the year you build the habits, cut the excuses, say no to distractions, say yes to growth, own your purpose, stay locked in, stay grounded, stay faithful to your journey. The world doesn't need another version of someone else. It needs the real you, committed, powerful, and locked in for greatness.